What if the world in 2026 feels very different from today? What if AI is no longer something you think about, but something you use all the time without noticing? Not in a science fiction way, but in a simple, everyday way. Today, we are counting down 10 AI predictions for 2026 that could change how we live, work, and learn. By 2026, AI will feel less like a tool and more like a real helper at work. It will no longer feel like software you open and close. Instead of jumping between many different apps, people will talk to AI assistants that remember their goals and preferences. These assistants will understand how you like to work. They will help plan your day from start to finish. They will write emails in your personal style. They will summarize meetings in seconds. They may even warn you about problems before they happen. AI will work across your phone, laptop, and other devices without effort. Work will not feel replaced or taken away. It will feel supported, smoother, and easier to manage. By 2026, most new computers and phones will include special AI chips built directly inside them. These chips will be designed specifically for AI tasks. They will make AI faster, smarter, and more private. Many AI features will work without needing the internet at all. Photos will be edited instantly with one tap. Videos will be created, enhanced, and cleaned up in seconds. Personal data will stay on your device instead of being sent to the cloud. This will make people feel safer using AI. Your computer will no longer just run programs. It will help you think, plan, solve problems, and create better content. AI video creation will become common by 2026. It will no longer feel like a special or advanced skill. Anyone will be able to create high-quality videos using simple text prompts. This will include ads for businesses, school projects for students, social media clips for creators, and even short films made by individuals. Creating videos will become faster and cheaper for everyone. However, it will also become harder to tell what is real and what is AI-made. People will need to be more careful about what they trust online. The internet will become a mix of human creativity and AI-generated content. Many beginner jobs will change because of AI. They will not disappear overnight, but they will look very different from today. AI will handle many basic and repetitive tasks. Jobs like customer support, data entry, scheduling, and reporting will use AI assistants daily. Workers will focus more on decision-making and problem-solving. They will spend less time on boring and repetitive work. New roles will appear that focus on managing and guiding AI. Schools and training programs will need to adapt quickly. Learning how to work with AI will become a basic life skill. By 2026, personal AI agents will help manage everyday life. These agents will feel like digital assistants that truly know you. They will track schedules and reminders automatically. They will help manage money and spending habits. They will support long-term goals like fitness, productivity, or learning new skills. These agents may book appointments for you, send reminders before important events, and help people build healthier daily routines. Life will feel more organized and less overwhelming. Governments will take AI much more seriously by 2026. AI will no longer feel unregulated or uncontrolled. New rules will control how AI systems are trained and used. Companies will need to explain how their AI works and what data it uses. Safety testing will become required before public release. Some progress may slow down because of regulation, but trust in AI will increase over time, and trust is important for long-term growth and adoption. AI tutors will become more popular in schools and homes around the world. They will act like personal teachers for every student. They will adapt lessons to each student's pace and learning style. They will explain difficult topics in simple ways. They will repeat lessons without frustration. They will give instant feedback and corrections. Students will learn without feeling rushed or left behind. Education will become more personal, flexible, and accessible. Learning will continue far beyond the classroom. Creative jobs will not disappear. Instead, they will evolve and expand. AI will help create drafts, ideas, and rough versions. It will help creators move faster. Humans will focus on emotion, meaning, and storytelling. The best creators will learn how to guide AI tools effectively. New creative roles and careers will appear. AI will move beyond screens by 2026. Smarter robots will appear in warehouses, factories, and hospitals. They will assist humans with physical tasks. They will understand simple spoken instructions. They will adapt to their surroundings in real time. They will learn from experience and repetition. Robots will not be perfect, but they will be helpful, reliable, and increasingly common. The biggest change may be the least noticeable. AI will work quietly in the background of daily life. It will help manage traffic systems, healthcare operations, energy use, and communication networks. Many systems will become more efficient without human effort. People may not think about AI every day, but they will benefit from it everywhere. By 2026, AI will not feel like the future. It will feel normal. Some changes will be exciting. Others may feel uncomfortable. But one thing is clear, AI will be impossible to ignore. Tell us which prediction you believe will happen first. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about Figure 03. This is Artificial Adamina, where intelligence meets creativity.